I'm over here at my brother's trying to help him get something of a contraption going. And this is what's left over of his garden. But he took this frame. Let me step back here so you can see. He took this frame here, if I can see what I'm looking at. And we covered it with plastic. Put clamps on it so it won't blow away. But on this side, and I've never heard of this before, but he got a zipper. And it is, oh, it's tight. Yeah, it's a stick-on zipper.
Made for plastic.
Made for plastic, not tarps, but plastic. But we stuck that on there. All the way to the ground. Okay. Here is the box. He said he got it from Amazon, right around $8-ish. So that's a good idea. He said he used it last year, but didn't have the zipper in it. But the zipper will allow him to open it and close it when he needs to. There's my big fat shadow. And get a little farther away so you can get the overall. There you go. So, I guess, he said last year he even put a light in there for help in the winter time with the temperatures. He can leave it open when he needs to, shut it when he needs to. When he asked me to come over here, I had no idea what he had in mind. But I think that's a pretty smart idea. But anyhow, I'm going to get off here and let y'all go, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.